a length and you're given the area. Now, as soon as we are given an area, okay, the first thing that should come into your head is half AB sine C. Okay, that's the first thing we need to be thinking of. So I'm going to have to use that formula. And because I'm given the area of 20, I'm going to set it equal to 20. Okay, put my numbers in. So half, I can use 8 as A or B, so I'll use that as A. So half times 8 times B times by sine of 30 is going to give me 20. Only bit you need to remember is the angle's got to be between the two lengths, which is absolutely fine, because we are trying to find the length AB, which we have now named as B. Okay. So we'll work this out. So B is going to equal 20, and we'll move everything else over. So half times 8 is 4, so that's going to be 4 sine 30. So B is going to equal 10 centimeters. So let's add that to our diagram now. Second part, find the length of BC, giving your answer to correct to 3 significant figures. So now I'm after the third side. Now if I need all 3 sides, there's a couple of different ways I can do. I can use sine rule, I can use cosine rule. Because I've only got one angle and I haven't got a matching pair, I'm going to use the cosine rule. So if I now I'm going to call this side A for now. Okay, so what I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2C cos A. Okay, and I can put this through. So 8 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times A later guys, I would want 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 to work A. I can go 164. 2 times 8 times 10 will give me 160 minus 160 cos 30. Now would be a good time to stick it into calculator, and we should get out for A squared. We will get our first answer, and then all we're going to do is to get A, we're just going to square root that final bit. So let's go straight to A instead. So A is going to be the square root of 164 minus 160 cos 30. Make sure we're using as exact values as we can all the way through. So to 3 significant figures, we should get 5.04 centimeters.